In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Smartsheet data seamlessly, an essential skill for those needing to share, analyze, or make hard copies of their project information. Whether you're migrating data to another application or just looking to print a report, exporting your Smartsheet data efficiently is key. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you'll master it with ease. First, you're going to need to log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you've entered your login details and accessed the platform, navigate over to your designated workspace. This is where you manage all your projects, tasks, and sheets, and it's important to start here to ensure you're working on the correct file. Now, when you're inside the workspace, find and open the specific Smartsheet you wish to export. This might be a sheet that contains vital project timelines, important task details, or any data that you need to use outside of the platform. With your Smartsheet open, direct your attention to the top menu. There, you'll see the File option. Click on it, and on the drop-down menu that appears, hover over the Export option. It's integral to familiarize yourself with these menus as they're a gateway to your export options. Next, it's time to choose the format in which you want to export your data. Smartsheet offers a variety of formats catering to different needs and purposes. If you desire a standard spreadsheet format, a versatile option for data manipulation or analysis, you should select Export to Microsoft Excel. This format is particularly useful if you plan to perform calculations or create charts with your exported data. Alternatively, if you are looking for a document that's ready for print, you should opt for Export to PDF. PDFs maintain formatting and are ideal for presentations or professional documentation when sharing with clients or colleagues. Additionally, you may notice some other export options available depending on your specific needs. These can include exporting to Google Sheets or Microsoft Project. Each of these formats serves unique purposes, so consider what best aligns with your goals for the data. Once you've chosen your preferred export format, Smartsheet will process the request. This generally takes just a few moments, paced by your internet speed and the amount of data in your sheet. After processing, you'll be provided with a downloadable file. Simply click to download it onto your computer, and there you have it. Your data is now ready for further use. By following these steps, you'll be able to export any Smartsheet data effortlessly and according to your specific requirements. With practice, you'll find that these options provide flexibility and utility, enhancing how you manage and share your project information. Happy exporting!